What's up, everybody? Happy Sunday. We are tackling something I've been trying to make happen for the past probably 6 months or so. It's finally happening. I'm super excited about it. Hope everybody's having an awesome weekend. Today's Sunday. We're finally getting this started. Had some cool stuff going on with the RC thing back here. I'm excited to show you guys, but this is the biggest thing. This is awesome and it's great. The other thing's gonna be big too, but this is big right now. Behind me is a little shipping container. It's not that big, it's not that small, it's just pretty perfect size for this. I'm standing in it or whatever. It's it's a good size, probably about a 12 foot or something, 8 by 12. See on the side and stuff. Anyway, it's just perfect because it doesn't come too far out if we got a normal shipping container and all that stuff. So this is great. And you're probably like, Quid, why are you so excited about a shipping container? I am so excited about a shipping container because this garage right here has all of my dad's stuff he's collected over the years for the past probably 30 years before I was born, and has collected into this garage space down here. This garage space, I'm so happy to say, is the new QC Hobbies. This is our official location. This is going to house all of the RC stuff, all of the print material, all of the shipping stuff, and this is where we're going to do all of our work, and I couldn't be more excited. This is going to make it smoother operation for me, better space, more space. I'm not working on my kitchen table sometimes, on my gaming desk, and I'm just not in my house anymore. I have an official space at the shop. There's no room in there because it's just the dust and stuff, and I don't want the printers, but this is awesome. It's got heat. We'll have to get AC in the spring. Not a big deal at all. I'm just so excited, guys. I know it's nothing small, or excuse me, I know it's nothing big, but it's big to me, and it matters a lot, and it's going to be great for you guys. We're getting stuff more thoroughly, being able to expand more, fit more printers, fit more product, and just hire someone to come work in here now, and it's going to be great. It just helps so much stuff around the board, and I'm just super excited to share it with you guys. So do a little walkthrough of kind of what we got to do, what we got to clear out, where we're going to put it all, and go from there. So here's just a array of Porsche parts, motorcycle parts, random parts, Chevy seats, Mustang seats. We're all gonna organize this nicely for my dad in this shipping container right here. Try to make it all fit and get the most space I can out of there. Beamer's best watchdog helping. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get on this, start doing it, and I'm excited to show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So it's kind of what we got to work with right now. Let's get to organizing. All right, everyone, we are clean. We are cleaned out except for all that Porsche stuff from Dad. It's got to stay there. 350 small block power joke thing's gonna go elsewhere. Porsche seat, I have no idea yet. S54, yeah. So anyway, we are good. We are clean. We are awesome. Some things on the floor we're gonna fix. We're gonna do something with the floor. I'm not sure what we'll put down. Something pretty cool. All the shelves are clean. It's awesome. We gotta get some LED lights. These things are kind of bright, but they're not too bright. I'm gonna paint this wall real quick with some gray paint I have left over from the inside. It should match that very nicely. When Maggie gets back here, she's going to take me to Lowe's. We're gonna get some paint for these shelves, paint them black, so it'll match on my other shelves I'm gonna put up. I found these they're like 8 by 12s or something like that. They were leaned up against the wall back there, so we'll definitely turn these into shelves for more RCs, and won't stop buying RCs till we fill these up, and then we'll buy more shelves and buy more RCs. So just a little update, guys. I'm really excited. Here's what the wall looks like right now. All these shelves and stuff and everything, kind of from the other view. We're gonna go paint this gray right now. Let's get it done. I just filled up this entire trash can full of all like dirt and everything from the bottom of that shop, dude. It was crazy. Whole trash can was full. All right, it's like 6 in the morning. It is paint time. We have the back wall painted back here. We have it masked off on the bottom, so we could do a nice accent wall line, really because I ran out of paint. I used that whole 5 gallon back there, but that's fine. So we're gonna do a little accent line on this wall back here, and then we're gonna paint all these shelves black real quick, get all that stuff done. I got my little PPG breakthrough paints, like supposed to be a good coverage, water base, all that stuff. So we're gonna go do it right now and get the stuff done. Excuse my hair, it's freaking cold. I had my hood on. All right, guys, shelf is painted, bottom of the wall is painted. I was accidentally spilled some on the floor, so I rolled it out, and we're totally painting the floor, I believe. Depending on what paint I can go get today and stuff from Ace or whatever right down the street in a reasonable hour. And then I'm gonna paint the other shelf and all that good stuff. But yeah, it's really come together. I really like this stuff. It's really good, looks really good. It's crazy how good the stuff's coming in. Then we gotta paint the back of that wall the gray and just some stuff. We're getting there, guys, we're getting there. Stretch it out, Beamer, stretch it out. So for now, this is what we got. I do not have a floor solution. I'm debating on Swiss tracks, some carpet stuff for garages, or painting it, or cleaning it and leaving it alone. We'll see what happens there. Not entirely sure yet what's going to happen, but nonetheless, it's clean. Everything's removed that I could get. That seat I'm going to get and put over there, and then we'll get some wood and surround that off. The motor, don't get me started on that one. We'll deal with that in a minute. But all of this shelf is painted for 3D stuff. They got a little shelf here I found that's pretty cool. This shelf's done and painted. I need to paint up under there yet. I ran out of paint. All this stuff is done. This wall is done, and I'm really excited about this. We got a bunch of room. We have a ton of options to do whatever we want to with it, however we want to organize it, whatever we want to do. I'm really excited to get into this, guys, and then start filming in here, start working in here, and just having this the ultimate RC shop. It's going to be great. I'm really excited to share it with you guys. Hope you're enjoying it. Let's get to it. All right, it's moving day. We are moving all the RCs down here to the new space. Couldn't be more excited. Very excited. Let's go ahead and roll these things down here. I got them all laid out in the cart right now, some of them, and we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff down there, get it organized, and get to where I can start using it, enjoying it, and I'm super excited. I really can't wait. I don't know how exactly I'm gonna lay it out yet, but I'm really excited to just kind of get in there and start organizing it however I really want to. All right, so let's kind of walk you guys through my idea here. What I'm thinking on this end is printers on the top, printers on the bottom, 3x6 bench laying here in the center so you can walk around this side and the other side, and this is where everything's going to be packaged and shipped. We'll probably have a shelf sitting at the back here for all of our shipping items, our boxes and etc., and parts and stuff will maybe go on here somewhere. That seat's going to get put over here when I enclose that. For this is where all the RCs are going to get stored. All my RCs galore, maybe straight on, save room, or for sideways right now because I don't have that many at this moment. And at the top, put boxes and stuff I think is cool. Then for this wall, this is where it gets interesting. So for here, what I'm thinking is one bench here and one bench there. One bench here to film because I don't have that at the top, so it'll be a good place to film for you guys, a good background. And then the other one to work on the RCs, so I have another bench that I don't have to clean this bench to film. And so I really just don't have to go back and forth. I was using that one bench for everything, and don't get me wrong, it totally worked, but it could be better. That way I'm not worried about trying to clean the bench off and plan to make content. Just go ahead and make content whenever I want to on the bench that I need to film on. Set all the stuff I'm gonna film on there and not have to worry about putting that stuff behind, getting content out more and more for you guys, and it's just gonna be better overall for quality and consistency. So really excited about that. Let's go ahead and get all this stuff organized, get everything down here. Okay, so what was having not limited space in here, but not having the big black cabinet array that I had at the back of the RC stuff where I kept 90% of all my tools and just parts and everything, we're gonna add on to this bench right here. It's the bench I've been using on there to film on. We're gonna have that as a workbench, and I have another bench I'm gonna make for filming, and it's gonna be for filming purposes only. But for right now, what we're gonna do is we have some 2x4s I've done cut. These are 11 inches exactly. Then we have this guy back here. Don't really know what it is, just kind of a thin piece of wood, pretty wide. It's probably a good 8 inches wide. And that's going to be a little shelf on top of the workbench. I'm not really going to film on the workbench per se, so I don't have to worry about getting good content for you guys on there because there's really not going to be any filming. It's just where I'm going to work. That's what the film table is for, so I can dedicate 110% quality to the filming, and there's better angles and just better everything for that, scenery and etc. But for the workbench, it's going to be a little top array, and I'll kind of walk you guys through it. It's kind of hard to explain right now, but I got an idea in my head. I haven't drawn it or nothing. Just came in my head, and I was like, oh, let's go do that. And I had the material here, so we're going to knock this out and do it real quick. Okay, to kind of give you guys an idea what I was talking about, this is what I built on the back of the workbench. So, for example, my soldering gun could go on the corner over there, and then I could put other stuff on the bottom, other stuff on the top, and it just helps me work better so I don't have to clutter up this back right here. I'm still not that happy with this, so I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with it or how I'm going to change it. Have no idea where to put this little guy. I have my cars and coffee table right here just to demonstrate and give myself a general idea of how this layout's going to be. I don't have the other table for over here yet. I think Beamer has found a mouse or something. He is going crazy over there, but nonetheless, we're making progress. This is really cool. I'm really happy with how this turned out. It turned out great. I think it's freaking awesome. I'm holding a power strip, so I'm sorry I'm at this angle. My phone's almost dead as always, but I'm gonna put this guy up under here, kind of mount it up under there so I have power for all my stuff. Think of it really cool. Kind of gonna have a charging station over there with all the chargers and everything coming off the outlet. Again, kind of want different shelves here. Not exactly sure what I'm doing. Just kind of giving you guys an update what's going on. All the trucks are over here looking great. See my Halloween baskets over here still. But yeah, nonetheless, guys, we're making progress. I'm happy with it. It's coming along very nicely. I can't wait to see the finished product. Hope you guys are enjoying these little updates and just watching me kind of tinker and just kind of work and make it how I want it. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Okay, it's coming together slowly but surely. We're getting stuff put around everywhere, kind of getting it set up to where I want it. I'll probably change a lot of this, I'll be honest, once I'm in here like a week and just working, just doing different things. But for the most part, it's coming together. I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna show you guys, kind of walk you through the setup right now and where we're at, and then kind of go from there. I'm gonna call it a night. So over here we have Beamer's favorite corner. There's a mouse or something over here, I'm assuming, because he will not leave that spot alone. He just stays right here. Beamer. Okay, so here I have no place to put my radios yet, so that's just sitting right there because I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. Here again is where all the 3D printers are gonna go. Here's where all of the parts and stuff that are made are gonna go, and then just extra bags and stuff for packaging. All of the finished packages ready to be shipped out and stuff, and some displays gonna be right here. Put some lights up in that. Not really sure what goes in the bottom yet. That's just like bubble wrap and different stuff to wrap in the packages. Right here for right now is just how I've been doing all the packages on this little table. Here's some things that aren't quite ready yet. They need to be just quality controlled and just looked over before they get put in a bag to be sent out. So that's how this is gonna be, I'm assuming. I'm not quite sure yet. Definitely need a bigger one. This just is, like I said, just to get a layout and just work everything. I'm gonna make a wooden bench here that's a lot taller and a lot wider and stuff, just to make this better. Then if you come over here, I've modified my workbench severely. I added a bottom shelf right here and then a top shelf so I could put all my tools that I'm gonna use while I'm working on this. So it's pretty cool. Got the soldering gun here, got the Dremels, drills, got digital calipers and stuff, and just anything I may need. Got a bunch of screws here just randomly there. All this stuff is in here. Everything is kind of organized just the way I like it and the way I thought it would work for me. So that's all cool. This is just screws I've been using. I go through here and organize those in a little bit. But yeah, this is going to be the new workbench. This is where I'm going to work. This is where all the RC is going to get worked on and modified and customized, all that good stuff. Coming around to the back side, this is probably not permanent, but this is what I have right now. Up here is kind of going to be a charging station. I'm going to put my other charger and stuff up here and maybe get a little shelf to put the batteries in and organize them by cell and just size and stuff like that. It's kind of how it's going to go. New parts are going to go up here. Things that I have are new. Obviously not that guy, but just new parts are going to go up here, new in the box. Down here is probably going to be like used parts and stuff that I'm not quite sure what to do with or where to put yet. There's just some bins that I have some random parts in, such as just, I don't know, like random stuff like springs and just the Sin sway bars and extra motors and all that good stuff down there. Same with stuff over here. Down here is a bunch of tires and everything, just kind of sitting there. Here's a bunch of boxes and stuff. Just I think there's like carbon fiber bits in the bottom of here. Just some random parts, little toe straps that we've been using. Down here is all my bags and stuff, all my paint for right now. I'm not quite sure what to do with that. Here's my bag that I take to all the tracks and races with. It's got my tools and stuff organized on the top of it. Not sure if that's going to stay there or not. Then we got the rags and stuff down here. So here's where all the RCs are going to go, like I was talking about. All the boxes and stuff from them are going to go up there. The ones I think are cool and stuff that I'm going to save. Here's where I'm going to be filming. Maggie had a great idea. We're going to get a QCRC poster thing. What do you call it, Maggie?
A sign.
Sign, okay, yes, sign. And go up there. It's going to say QCRC Hobbies when I'm filming and stuff. And the camera's going to be probably about like this or something. I'm not quite sure yet. But yeah, all the RCs are going to go up here, boxes. Not quite sure what's going to go down here yet. I have my bodies and stuff just on this little shelf right now. I'm not quite sure what to do with those either. We're slowly but surely coming together. Everything's kind of working out. Like I said, I'm not quite sure if everything's going to stay the way it is. It probably won't. I'll probably change a lot of it, I'll be honest. But for right now, it's got a good layout. It's working pretty well. I'm going to get some benches made tomorrow. So yeah, pretty cool, guys. Just a little update here. Hope you guys enjoyed this little, I don't know, RC workshop build. We're not done yet. It's just part one. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please leave me a like. If you didn't, leave me a dislike. Remember to subscribe. More content coming soon. This is just another example of how big and like everything I'm trying to make this and just how far we're going to go with this. I can't wait to see what all we do. I didn't know I was going to get this space. I'm very thankful to have this space. It's awesome to have. It's going to open so much more opportunities just to do everything with RC, have more space, and especially for the company with the QC RC stuff and getting all that done and run more smoothly and just better overall. So thank you guys for watching this. Love you all so much. I'll see you later.